major political and business storm has erupted in Zimbabwe after President Emmerson Mnangagwa suddenly fired Mines Minister Winston Chitando, a move insiders say was triggered by intense pressure from powerful businessmen Kuda Kwashe Tagwirei. Sources claim Tagwirei, long seen as Mnangagwa's closest ally, is pushing to tighten his grip on Zimbabwe's mining sector, especially gold, lithium and chrome. He is accused of taking over gold-rich mining claims by cancelling existing permits, a practice that has reportedly created overwhelming complaints inside the ministry. At the same time, a major clash is said to have erupted over a lucrative Mberengwa gold concession that Mnangagwa himself allegedly wants. This has fueled speculation that Mnangagwa, Tagwirei and top government officials are locked in a behind-the-scenes battle over control of the country's mineral wealth. The sudden development of Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission officials to the Mines Ministry on Friday has only intensified speculation that deeper corruption investigations or political pages are underway. Chitando, considered a reliable technocrat since 2017, was reportedly viewed as blocking Tagwirei's expansion in the mining sector. Government insiders say powerful forces demanded his removal and that Mnangagwa finally gave it to the pressure. Analysts warn that Chitando's firing signals a dangerous consolidation of mining power around Mnangagwa's allies, a shift that could reshape who controls Zimbabwe's minerals ahead of the 2028 elections.